Welcome to our channel. Today we demystify an everyday marvel, the toilet. Ever wonder what's happening when you flush? Let's dive into the workings of this plumbing fixture. At its core, a toilet comprises two main parts, the tank and the bowl. The tank, that water-filled reservoir, is crucial. When you press the flush handle, it activates the lift chain connected to the flush valve. This valve opens, releasing water into the bowl through rim holes, creating a powerful swirl. Simultaneously, gravity takes action. The water level rapidly rises, initiating a siphoning effect in the bowl's S-shaped trapway. The siphon action forces waste and water through the trapway and into the sewage system. Once the flush is complete, the flush valve closes, stopping water flow. Meanwhile, the fill valve, also known as the ball cock, opens. Fresh water refills the tank and bowl. A float, either ball-shaped or a cup on a rod, regulates the fill valve. As the water rises, the float ascends, signaling the fill valve to stop once the ideal water level is reached. This entire process is aided by gravity and water pressure, showcasing ingenious simplicity. Furthermore, toilets have overflow tubes, a safeguard against potential overflows. If the fill valve malfunctions, excess water overflows into the bowl through this tube, preventing messes and wasted water. Toilets are marvels of efficiency, designed to flush waste, prevent overflows, and refill seamlessly. They have evolved over time, yet their fundamental principles remain unchanged. Understanding these basics can help you troubleshoot minor issues and better appreciate this daily convenience. Join us next time as we explore more fascinating topics. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.